Musa Jacob. I think just give me a date. There is no representation.
16 July.
Austin. Austin. Nobody can hear me.
Yes, my lord.
Austin, this matter, I don't know. One who are in this matter, I think.
My lord is Mr. Pamataya.
Pamataya and Fawe.
No, not Fawe, my lord. He's one lawyer from Wari, Umezi.
Okay, Umuze, okay. And you are sure you informed them?
Yes, my lord. I call Pamataya. I still call the council from Wari.
Okay. So give me a date. That's June.
Yes.
In the absence of all the parties and their legal representatives, this matter is adjourned to the 30th day of June 2025 for adoption of final written addresses and the other parties to file and exchange processes in line with the provisions of the rules of this court before the next adjourned date. And I also order that hearing notice be served onto the parties before the next adjourned date. By 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Yes, next.
Yes, number 2. NICS/20/2022 between Mr. Orugbeni Bello Daniel Barras and Guardian Dragon Guard and Security Limited with 2 others.
Yes. Mr. Adada Wilcox and Guardian Dragons. Who is in this matter?
Nelson Abali is in court. I wonder why he has not announced appearance for the claimant, my lord.
Yes,
I
Abali.
can see.
And Abali. Yes, Nelson, can you hear me?
He seems to be speaking, but he's not very audible, my lord.
His mic is muted.
His mic is muted, yes.
Yes, Abali, can you unmute? Yes, Nelson, Abali. Austin, please, can you call him? Call him. Matter stood down.
My lord,
All
the
up.
other parties are here. For the defendant, I'm available, my lord.
He has to participate in the proceeding. Yes, Nelson Abali, can you unmute?
The call, please. My lord may stood down so that we can try to reach him, my lord.
Yes, matter stood down.
The call, please.
Yes, next.
Case number 3, NICS/YEN/06 2022 between Jasper L. Abowi and the Bayelsa State Government with 2 others.
Yes. Singer, are you in this matter?
Yes, my lord, I am in the matter, my lord.
Yes, who is representing the claimant? Christopher Asiapiti.
Christopher Safety, my lord.
Yes, Christopher. I can see him online too.
Yes, my lord, I'm here.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Christopher, go ahead.
Yes. May it please this honorable court, I am Christopher Asiapiti for the claimant. We are most grateful.
Yes.
My lord, with greatest respect, Z. Singer,
Yes.
Assistant Chief State Counsel, Ministry of Justice. My appearance is for all the defendants on record. Most grateful, my lord.
Yes, any application for enlargement of time?
Yes, my lord. On the last adjourned date, the claimant filed a motion. However, we included an order for waiver, which the court refused. We have paid the penalty, and we applied that our processes which were filed out of time be deemed as properly filed. The penalty imposed having been paid. We are most grateful.
Yes, Singer.
My lord, no opposition, my lord.
Sorry, my lord, I'm in this matter.
Which matter?
This Urugbane matter, my lord. Sorry, as you were talking about Nelson Abale, my device went off. So I'm not able to enter my appearance.
Arugani, I stood down that matter.
Oh, as God pleases.
So we are in another matter. So when we finish this.
Okay, you're grateful, my lord.
Christopher Sepiti.
Yes, my lord.
I don't know whether the motion you filed for enlargement of time filed on the 29th November 2023.
Yes, that is the motion, my lord.
I think in absence.
My lord ordered that my lord refused the prayer for waiver of the
Waiver,
penalty
and I order you to pay, yes.
Yes, sir. My lord, we have paid, sir. We have paid said penalty.
The final written address filed by the claimant on the 29th day of November 2023 is deemed as properly filed and served, the default filing fees having been filed and having been paid. So go ahead and
Lord, we are most grateful.
yes, Singer.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the defendants filed their final written address. It is dated the 8th day of February 2023.
Yes.
My lord, same was filed on the same date.
Yes.
My lord, the said final written address contains two vital issues for determination.
Yes.
And my lord, we have presented our arguments therein.
Yes, go ahead.
And my lord, we adopt the said final written address as our argument in this matter. And we urge, my lord, in the strength of the argument proffered, to dismiss the claimant suit in its entirety because it is frivolous, vexatious, unmerited, and lacks merit, my lord.
Yes.
We are grateful, my lord.
Yes. Christopher.
My lord, yes, my lord, the claimant's final written address is dated the 28th day of November 2023. The 28th day of November 2023 were deemed as properly filed on the 5th day of May 2025. That is today.
Yes.
My Lord, we adopt the said address as an argument in support of the claimant's case. I most humbly urge my Lord to enter judgment in favor of the claimant. We are most grateful.
Yes. Singer, there is no reply on points of law.
Yes, my Lord, there's no reply on points of law, my Lord.
Just give me date for judgment. Give me. Before, if we say July 22, it's more than 90 days. This May 5, June 5, July, okay. And that 22 July, around vacation. I don't want best to be 5 today. So, I'll give you July 10. July 10.
As a court pleases.
It's convenient.
Yes, it's convenient, my Lord. For the claimant is convenient.
My Lord, is convenient, sir.
I adopt all the processes filed by both parties in support of their respective arguments, and this matter is adjourned to the 10th day of July 2025 for judgment by 12 p.m. God's will.
As a court pleases.
As a court, please. My Lord,
Yes, Singer.
may I, with the kind permission, exit the call?
Go ahead.
Lord,
Most
same
grateful,
as
my Lord. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Christopher, go ahead. Thank you.
I'm most grateful.
Yes. Yes, Orugbani, and Adada Cox and Guardian Dragons. Who are in this matter?
My Lord, sir, I'm in the matter, my Lord, sir.
Yes. Nelson.
My Lord, sir. Yeah, my name is Nelson Abale. I humbly announce my appearance for the claimants, my
Yes.
Lord, sir. Apologize for the absence and the technical itch earlier.
Yes.
Most respectfully, my Lord, Musa
Yes.
Jacob Haruna. My Lord, my humble appearance is for the first defendant.
Yes.
As the court pleases.
Second defendant? Not represented?
My Lord, with profound respect,
Yes.
DJ Waniwe, I appear for the third defendant. I'm grateful, my Lord.
Yes.
My lord, it seems the second defendant is not represented.
He's not represented.
As the court pleases.
I don't think second defendant even filed any process in this matter.
No, my lord, they filed a final address. They did not.
But they did not call any witness.
Yes.
Okay. So, first defendant. Yes, Aruna.
Yes, my lord, the matter is for adoption of final addresses. Ours has been filed and responded to, but I think there is a motion from the third defendant to regularize. Do we adopt before he takes the motion?
Yes, Woniwe.
Motion for regularize. I filed within time. I don't have a motion to regularize my written address.
Oh, okay.
Yes, my lord.
Well, my lord.
Okay, the one I'm at, yes, but there is a motion for the third defendant.
As the court pleases. It's a motion dated and filed 8th of January.
DJ Woniwe, you filed an application filed on the 8th January 2024.
My lord, I'm sorry. I'm just diverting my mind to that application. I'm even looking at the file for it. Yes. My lord, just a minute. I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
Lord, I'm sorry. I'm looking at my copy. I'm in the file looking at my
the motion
copy
was filed on 8th day of January 2024.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
Extension of time within which to file and serve your final written address out of time.
Yes, my lord, I'm looking at it. I'm looking for my copy
Musa,
of it in the
Musa, any opposition?
No opposition, my lord.
Abali.
No opposition, my lord.
Okay, yes, my lord, I've seen it.
Move in terms.
I'm grateful, my lord. My lord, may I very humbly and respectfully move in terms of the motion for extension of time for the third defendant. I'm so grateful, my lord.
I've carefully analyzed the nature of this application and the armament contained in the supporting affidavit. In an absence of any opposition, relying on the provisions of Order 7, Rule 1 and Order 57, Rule 4 of 1 of the rules of this court, found this application to be meritorious and same is granted as prayed, and I grant all the prayers as contained on the face of the motion paper.
As the court pleases.
As court pleases. My lord, we are most grateful. We are most grateful, my lord.
Yes, Musa.
Yes, most respectfully, my lord. On behalf of the first defendant, we filed a written address dated the 12th day of December, 2023, but filed on the 18th day of December, 2023.
Eighteenth December 2023. Yes.
Yes, my lord, it's dated 12th and filed on the 18th, my lord.
Yes, Musa.
Yes, my lord, most respectfully, my lord, we have raised two issues and adopt the said written address on behalf of the first defendant,
Yes.
in praying your lordship to dismiss the claims of the claimant
Yes.
yes, my lord, and grant the first defendant's counterclaim in all its entirety, my lord. Most grateful, my lord.
Yes, Musa, any reply on points of law?
No, my lord, we did not file any reply on point of law.
Okay. In the absence of the learned counsel for the second defendant, I rely on the provisions of the rules of this court. I adopt the final written address filed by the second defendant on the 24th day of October 2024, and also the reply of points of law to the claimant's final written address, which was filed on the second day of 2nd May 2025. I adopt same in absentia. This claimant having been the counsel to the second defendant having been served with hearing notice for today's sitting, but failed, neglected, or refused to join the virtual sitting. In view of that, I adopt all these processes in absentia.
As the court pleases.
Court, please.
As court pleases.
Yes.
Yes.
No,
my Lord, yes, my Lord. My Lord, on behalf of the third defendant, we filed a final written address dated the 5th day of January 2024 and filed on the 8th day of January 2024. And same having been regularized. My Lord, we respectfully distill 2 issues for determination of the court.
Yes.
And we adopt the written final written address of the third defendant in entirety and urge the court to dismiss the claimant's claims against the third defendant with punitive costs. We are most grateful. Thank you, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, we did not file any reply on point of law as well, too.
Okay. Abali.
My Lord, the claimant's final written address is dated the 12th of January 2024 and filed on same date. We adopt the said final written address. And we urge this honorable court to grant the prayers and also to dismiss the counterclaim of the first defendant, my Lord, sir. Our reply on points of law to the second defendant's final address has already been adopted by the court and will stand on same. It's dated the 2nd of May 2025. Then the claimants, in reply to the third defendants, filed a final address dated and filed on the 15th of January 2024.
Sorry. I'm coming.
So,
Abali, you say you file a reply to the third defendant's.
yes, third defendant's final written address dated and filed on the 15th of January 2024.
Okay, sorry, second defendant. You say you file a reply to the second defendant's final written address.
Yes, second defendant's reply on points of law, 2nd of May 2025, my Lord, sir. And we adopt the said process and we urge my Lord to grant the prayers of the claimants.
Yes, you say third defendant again.
Yes, we file in response to the third defendant final address, we filed a final written address on the 15th of January 2024. And we adopt the arguments therein and urge this honorable court to grant relief sought. We are most grateful, my lord.
Okay. That's all. We have
Yes, my
adopted
lord, sir.
processes. Okay. It started June convenient. So, sorry. Come. Come. The down. I gave them which date? Yes, July. It's 10 July
Sorry, my lord.
convenient. 10 July.
10, my lord.
Yes, July 10.
It's convenient, my lord. It's a Thursday.
Yes, for judgment.
As the court pleases.
Probably.
Yes, I adopt all the processes filed by both parties, and this matter is adjourned to 10th day of July 2025 by 12 p.m. God's willing for judgment, and I order that hearing notice be served onto the second defendant before the next adjourned date.
The court pleases. My lord, we are most grateful.
My Lord, we
Grateful,
are
my
most
lord,
grateful.
Yes, thank you so much.
I will wish my Lord all the time.
Thank you so much.
With my lord's kind permission, may we be allowed to exit the room?
I'm also exiting.
As the court pleases. Oh, my lord, sorry. I didn't know there was no other matter.
Thank you.
thank you, my lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Abali. Mr.
My Lord,
Abali, and we
let
know
us see.
it's good to see you
Where
guys.
my money?
Yes, my Lord.
It's good to see you guys again.
Daniel,
Yes, hope,
Musa, in fact,
hope you're all doing
Abali,
fine.
I don't think I'm owing you. Abali, I'm
You are
taking you
owing
to
me
Butler Center now.
Hope you guys are
It's
doing
supposed to be
fine.
2 times. It's supposed to be 2 times.
It's supposed to be 2 times.
Hope
Yes.
you people are doing fine.
Musa, thank you so much.
Yes, we are.
Yes, Musa.
Is any
I
of you
would but
coming
I
to
failed to
Enugu?
call you.
I hope you are fine too.
Yes, I'm fine, thank you. Is any of you coming to Enugu?
Yes, we will be in Enugu, so we'll meet in Enugu.
Okay, hopefully we catch
We'll
up
be in
then.
Enugu.
Okay, then
Thank you.
hopefully we
Thank
catch
you.
up in person.
Thank you.
Okay, then have a good
Yes.
day.
Nice day, sir.
Yeah.
Barrister Golden. And how did they come?
Good afternoon. I know how work. I did yesterday.
I enjoy now. What do you open your camera, man? Make I see your face now.
Oh yeah, my camera dey open.
Okay, how you doing now?
I dey fine. How work?